rubidium and cesium. These react even more violently than potassium, and the reaction can be explosive. Rubidium and cesium react vigorously with water, more than potassium, and the reaction can be explosive. Rubidium hydroxide and cesium hydroxide are formed. From the reaction that happens between rubidium and water, they produce rubidium hydroxide, and from the reaction that happens between cesium and water, they produce cesium hydroxide. Okay, look at these two pictures. The reaction that happens between rubidium and water and cesium and water. This picture between rubidium and water, notice it is like an explosion. And between cesium and cold water, they form explosion also. Thus, the reaction between them was very vigorous, as you can see in this figure. So rubidium and cesium react with water in a very vigorous way, forming an explosion.